abrupt, making moves without thinking it over twice. Hey. Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie.
Come in, charge it, it's a vibe. Come in, charge it. Why you are deal with going?
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back when I hit and smash it up. Time it is. Yeah, people, I don't see what time it is, man. Friends, from the title and the intro, you don't know where I deal with. I'm back when I hit and smash it up, banger. Yeah, man, today. And people, we're back with another one. You already know this from an artist. What we do, it's a new artist. So we do audio. You know, his name is Trey. You know, the number 3 RE. Yeah, Trey, and he dropped a new tune named Conflict. Yeah, Zimmy Conflicts. So we're gonna check it out and see what going on. Cause we checked him out before. He dropped he's a new on the scene, and dropped a tune called Jamaican. Yeah, we reacted to it before, but it seemed like he dip on it again, man, a new tune and Conflict. And we're gonna check it out and see what going on. You don't know things that. So if you're new to the channel, people, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And you don't know, I'm turning views and subscribe. I'm loving like cook food. You don't know. We are grow strong over here, some, and you know, appreciate the love and support. And you don't know, we're gonna keep it going and keep it going. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Trey back at it. New artist, man, you seen new song and video Conflict. You know, I have high hopes for the artist, young artist, you know, I have high hopes and can go. I think he can go really far, you see me? So hopefully he drop another bang up and we, you know, he have a very different and unique style, and yes, I mean that one see the new artist them, and you know them come up in the, you know, in the industry wants them style different and unique, and how them make this music thing them want to know anybody well. You know, a copy and I do the same thing. But anyway, people, we don't know things, so we're not going to work with vibes no longer. We're going to jump right into the track. You know, this is Trey, number 3 RE. Let's get it. Let's get it. See what I want. Bro, I can't say I already see the type of music where you like, you know, you see like your type of beats. The beat, do you hear that already? Come on, man. When you know music, you know music, bro. I ain't had played. You hear that beat? That beat is hard.
Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie. Think you ain't had nothing to do with the reason I'm in denial.
Like you start off, bro. Just give me this. You know, the kind of like weekend, like Party Next Door, Drake. Shit. I think even to Orleans type. You know what I'm saying?
Think I'm abrupt, making moves without thinking it over twice. Hey. Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie.
Come in, charge it, it's a vibe. Come in, charge it. Why you are deal with going?
Think you ain't had nothing to do with the reason I'm in denial. Think I'm abrupt, making moves without thinking it over twice.
Rocking the visuals.
Hey.
Let's get it. Vibes.
Taking it another level. No complaints at all for the first time. I like we know each other for many years now.
Easy, my brother. Easy, my brother. Me here, man. You're hungry. I come for this, man. You come for this. Come in.
No jealous stars, just keep the zealous parts. Can we ride like we the wildest? Catch the sun every time we see it setting. I know that sounds like some fairy tales. I'm just wishing things I think you'll be wishing.
This is a vibe, brother. Come in, brother. Yo, song. I like songs like this. These songs make you feel like that. I take you upon an experience, brother. I'm like, hey, come in.
Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie. Think you ain't had nothing to do with the reason I'm in denial. Think I'm abrupt making moves without thinking it over twice.
Yo, no better. I tell my friend, no better afraid of the brother here. You know, the brother here coming at the music. Hey, I tell him, no better afraid. No better open up on the ear and open up on the ears. Come in. Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie. Think you ain't had nothing to do with the reason I'm in denial. Think I'm abroad making moves without thinking it over twice. Come in, man. Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie. Think you ain't had nothing to do with the reason I'm in denial. Think I'm abroad making moves without thinking it over twice. Think I'm abroad making moves without thinking it over twice. Easy does it. Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie. Think you ain't had nothing to do with the reason I'm in denial. Think I'm abrupt making moves without thinking it over twice. Hey. Think I drove myself to this point, I can't lie. Think you ain't had nothing to do with the reason I'm in denial. Think I'm abrupt making moves without thinking it over twice. Hey. Easy. Just like that, easy does it. People. Only thing about the one day, you can't tell me so the one day is not a vibe. Come in, man. It's like, man, I take you upon a journey, a little experience, man, and some music for sound. You see, man, I say? Yeah, man, well done, well executed, brother. You know what I'm saying? Style different, unique, you know what I'm saying? Mad thing, brother. Yeah. Man, I can be a rapper, pop star, but yo, I want to be one of the artists out. I'm telling you from now, so no better wake up and just get in tune from now. Cause remember I said Jambisco tell you that, you see me? So people, remember know what thinking in the comment section, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me see the fire emoji or garbage can emoji. If it's a hit or a miss, but you don't know if you like the song, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Like, you know, shall Jambisco send, you know, you see me? And then, you know, maybe no thing in the comment section, I could talk about it, man. Yeah, man, we love when you see new artists come up and coming artists like this, you know, we show promise and potential, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, it's a good look. You know, once again, that's Trey, the number 3, R-E. Check him out, show him some love and support, making you say Jambisco Center. Guys, I'm saying, no one think in the comment section. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you want to react to next. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.